Hello and welcome back to ENGING. In the previous video, we understood the agreement of subject and verb using main verbs. In this video, let us learn the subject verb agreement and the use of be verbs, do verbs and have verbs in singular and plural forms. You have a test at the end, so kindly watch the video carefully. Now let us get into the topic. First, let us see the singular be verbs, do verbs and have verbs. In singular, we have the be verbs is, this is the positive, isn't, which is the negative, was, which is the positive, does is positive, has is positive. And the negatives are isn't, wasn't, doesn't and hasn't. So these are the singular be verbs in the positive and the negative forms. With the singular noun or the singular pronoun, the pronouns which may be he, she or it, we use these be verbs, that is in the negative and the positive form. But with the plurals, that is we have are, were, do, have in the positive, aren't, weren't, don't and haven't in the negative. So these are the plural be verbs, do verbs and have verbs in the positive and the negative forms. We use this with the plural verbs, plural nouns and the plural pronouns. The plural pronouns which may be we, they and you. These are the plural pronouns. Here you can see one personal pronoun is missed out, that is I. And for this I, the be verbs that we use in the singular is the special be verb is am. In the past tense, we use was as the positive and wasn't as the negative. And I is used with the plural have verbs, that is have and do in the positive and haven't and don't in the negative. So these are the singular be verbs and these are the plural be verbs. Next, let us have a look at a few examples using the singular be verbs, plural be verbs. She is my friend. Here is the singular be verb because she is singular. Here we are friends. We is the plural noun and so we use the plural be verb are. She isn't at home. This is the negative form. She is singular, so we use isn't. We is plural, and so we use aren't. He was playing in the lawn. He is singular, so we use was, that is singular. Here they is plural, and so we use were. He wasn't reading. Again, he is singular, so we use wasn't. That is the negative form. They is plural and hence we use were not. This is the negative. I am an artist. This is the special be verb for I. Am is the special be verb for I. So here am. You were talking. You is considered as the plural pronoun. So we use the plural be verb were. I was not driving. When it is taken to the past tense, for I we use the singular be verb was and the negative form was not. For you, since it is considered as plural, we use were for the positive as well as the negative. Now let us see the examples using the do verbs and have verbs. First with do verbs. She does gardening. She is singular, so we use the singular do verb does. They is plural, and so we use the plural do verb do. But the past tense do verb, which is did, can be used with both singular as well as plural. She did gardening, they did gardening. He doesn't know swimming. He is singular, so does, and the negative form doesn't. Here we is plural, and so we use the plural do verb with the negative form don't. Next, the agreement with have verbs. A dog, this is singular, so we use has. A dog has 4 legs. Birds, is plural, so we use have. Birds have wings. She hasn't come yet. She is singular, so the have verb in the singular and the negative form. I haven't come yet. You haven't come. So I and you is considered as plural when we use it with the have verbs. So we have used haven't, the negative form. But if it is a positive also we used to have, we must use only have. Now it's time for the quiz. I hope you have understood. Let us go to the quiz. You have 5 questions. You may pause the video to answer the questions. The answer will pop up within a few seconds. Complete the statements with the correct form of verbs. Now let's check the answers. Well friends, in this video we understood subject verb agreement using be verbs, do verbs and have verbs. Next let us learn the subject verb agreement with collective nouns in the next video. If you find this video useful, give a thumbs up and share. Thanks for watching.